Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to get a corporate current card promo code in 2025. So let's start by heading over to the official current card website or downloading the app from your app store. Once you've got it installed, go ahead and create your account and complete the sign-up process, but hold off on activating the card just yet. Now it's time to find a promo code. Open TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube and search for terms like corporate current card promo code or current card bonus. Influencers, especially those tied to corporate, often post limited time promo codes either in their bio or pinned comments under their videos. These codes can give you some pretty good rewards, so keep an eye on the dates and make sure they're still active. If you come across a referral link instead, you can also use that during the sign-up process. Once you've got your promo code ready, open the current app, go to your profile, and tap on promo code. Paste it in there before making your first deposit. Usually, these promo codes unlock bonuses after you set up a direct deposit or meet a minimum spend amount. Some of them might require you to link your paycheck first, so read the instructions carefully. For a better chance of finding valid codes, make sure to follow Corporate's official accounts on social media and turn on notifications so you don't miss their latest drops. And that's how to get a corporate current card promo code in 2025.